Rotunda, Dr. Carlos, Augusto, Corrêa, Paes, dá some. So maybe some boxy in Hindi, roundabouts in Taipa, slices of Macau. Walking down Rotunda, Dr. Carlos, Augusto, Corrêa, Paes, that's some sound. Going round Rotunda, Dr. Carlos, Augusto, Corrêa, Paes, that's some sound. Going all around Rotunda, Dr. Carlos, Augusto, Corrêa, Paes, that's some sound. Yeah, just walking around Rotunda, Dr. Carlos, Augusto, Corrêa, Paes, that's some. Macau with those cool roundabouts. New hotel coming up on Rotunda, Dr. Carlos, Augusto, Corrêa, Paes, that's some. Slices of Macau, all around Macau.
Okay, this is a little roundabout right here and it has the name of Asuncion. You can see it down below. It's kind of a really long name. I believe that's probably the individual bust of him, and I won't be able to get over there and take the picture of that. But anyways, we're going to be filming this. This is where the some of the campuses are at, some universities. City U is right there. There's a few others up there. They're doing something here. I'll talk about that later as well. I will talk about all this. Let me put it up on the map first so you can see exactly where we are. And then we're going to basically walk around this roundabout, and then we're going to label this one accordingly. And we'll also talk about El Tiro. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we're going to end up over there. This is the side that we're not going to, well, we're going to walk by right now. So we're going to start here. This is a like little ecological area, and then the ocean is right on the other side of that. There's also some fireworks that they like set up for fireworks in that area as well. Up there is the university, so you can see UTM. It's the tourism management school, and then also City U. So those are up on the hill. And then we're gonna go across here real quick. This is our two streets. This is the street that goes up the hill, and this is our roundabout. So they're doing a bunch of scaffolding. I'll talk about this in a minute, but there's a new hotel that's being built right there. So that's going to be all new in that space. I guess it's called the Gold Coast Hotel. And then that's also the El Tiro Hotel right up there. And there's another hotel right there. So there's going to be 3 hotels. 1, 2, and then this one right here. And that one goes up the University City U. So we're going to try to go across that in a moment. Let's see if we can. So yeah, kind of interesting. So we have at least 3 hotels right in this area. So let's go across to be able to see that. It's pretty illegal for him to cross like that. So this is going to be the new hotel 2026. Usually if there's a pedestrian, you're not allowed to go in the white line the same time that they're in the white line. It's okay. El Tiro Hotel, that one's actually quite expensive, and like the rooms are phenomenally expensive. That one is a hotel I stayed at during COVID. So in COVID, everybody had to do a quarantine before they came back into the city. Actually, if you're mainland Chinese, you could come in and out of China, no problem. But if you were like a Macau resident person, and you weren't allowed to go into China if you're a foreigner like me. Anyways, this is all scaffolding. This used to be a different, like a nightclub in this area. This used to be I heard it was kind of a nightclub area, and this one right here would have been part of it. And then I guess it was like kind of racked by I don't know, I kind of heard like triads or something like that. I don't know, I kind of hear these different stories about it, but I don't know the extent of it all. I haven't filmed that street in quite a while, this little Camino de Suertes. This one goes all the way down to down through Taipa, so you can see nice views all the way down that way. That's kind of a cool little space right in there. And then that's the backside of all these hotels right there. The new hotel, I mean. I think they used to be called like Babylon Casino, something like that. And then they, that's our circle right there. So we're going to walk down the street like this. Go down El Tira. That's our square right there. And then now you can see El Tira. So there you go, El Tira. And then you have those kind of windows like that all the way down. So now we're gonna go down this way a little bit, and I'm gonna continue going around our roundabout. But there's the El Tira front entrance, and then there's actually a mall right there. So so that's in that vicinity. Go across here. This is the side street, and that's our Target Street right there. Avenida de Kwong Tong. Now you can see the El Tira entrance, and you can also see El Tira a little bit better. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down, and then we're going to take a look like this. And now you can see this whole roundabout right there. So so we're just gonna go a little bit further, and we're also, I think I'm also gonna capture a little bit of this other hotel as well. But yeah, so now you can see the new hotel. You can see this little statue right there, kind of get a little idea of that, and the roundabout. And then this is the other hotel here. This hotel, so yeah, I stayed here during COVID. I was there for just 10 days. I was lucky. Some people had to stay for 21 days. Like throughout that 3-year period, there was different time periods. So if you went outside of, foreigners weren't allowed to go into China, but so but anybody in Macau that went outside, went to Hong Kong, they'd have to come back and do a quarantine, or if they traveled to another country. But they weren't allowed to come back to Macau if they were a foreigner. But if you have a residency, you're allowed to come back and then do the quarantine. It's a big giant billboard. And anyways, that's our street. So we're going to end it right there. And we basically just did this roundabout, and then you can see where it's at on the map. And that's a little bit of what's all going on in this little slice of Macau. So let's end our video right there.